My boy's bro said he's gonna let me drive the whip, man. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you can see, if you did my shit off. If you didn't notice from the B-roll, we got the motherfrickin' Shelby, and I say motherfrickin' because I'm trying to stop cussing and all that, you know, trying to expand my vocabulary. But man, we got the GT500 right here, man. And you see the Scatty in the back, Adrian over there taking a picture or something. We got my boy Juan right here. You see him, man. Go follow him, go follow Adrian. Waiting on Adrian to get his 2020 F-150, that 10-speed. But today we're doing a little review on the GT500, man. You guys see it. You already know we're gonna get some runs in. You see the Cobra and all that. Just got a clean wash. Is it fully stock?
Yeah.
Fully stock, this is how it comes.
Except for the tires.
That's a dope wing for being fully stock. I like that wing right there. That's clean as stock wing. This is a 2012, no?
2012.
2012. So how much does a 2012 go for in 2020?
In 2020, they usually go a little over 40K.
40K?
40K out the door.
Still 40K in 2020, bruh. That's how you know it's a badass car. That's down near the price of mine. 2020. Got the little hood vent. Is this functional? Yep.
Yeah, it's functional.
Functional. Hell yeah, this shit's clean, man. You wanna pop the hood on it and see what's good up under the hood? And these are
5.4 liter.
5.4 liter?
Yeah.
Okay. Jeez, okay. Looks a little beefy under there.
Yeah. It's all stock.
All stock. Even that stock?
Yeah. Just a paper filter.
Oh, okay. But it's pretty big filter for a stock.
Yeah.
But this has like 550, right?
550.
Yeah, 550. I actually looked that up. 550 crank. Damn. Pushing a lot in the 5.4. Ain't much else to say about that. We could close that up if you want.
You get the interior now.
Yeah, let's see what's up on the inside over here. And these all come stick shift, no?
Yeah.
No automatic in the Shelby. Ricardo seats. Or Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Who's Ricardo, dog? Is that your brother's name? Recaro seats. Got the little Cobra right there, man. Hell yeah. This shit looks clean in here. Hop up in here real quick. All right, let's hop up in this thing, man. You see the little 6-speed, the knob. Is that a stock knob or he put that?
As far as you know, it's a stock shifter.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, but it seems really short.
Yeah. Oh, it's a short shifter.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. 160 on the dash. You see the Cobra right there too. And you said something comes up on the screen right here or what? Okay. Shelby GT500. Good morning, it says. Damn, it even knows the time?
Yeah.
For real, does it say good afternoon once it's after 12 and shit?
Probably, yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
The cool part about it is, you know the sensor for the lights up there?
Uh-huh.
Once it sees daylight, it turns the screen brighter.
Oh,
when it turns, when it's night, it makes it like a dark mode on the screen.
Oh, damn.
Everything switches colors.
That's that high level stuff for 2012.
Yeah.
Seats are dope. Like that. Ain't nobody getting in the back seat, I'll tell you that much. Damn, this is like the Camaro back seats back there. I ain't even gonna attempt to get back there. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Oh, does it whine?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's it? This thing whines?
Yeah.
Oh, it does, huh? Okay. Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. That's because of the how the air filter is, the intake.
I think I would want
Just the superchargers, because the turbines inside and they spin.
Oh, this thing has superchargers.
Yeah, it's supercharged.
Wait, pop the hood again, bruh.
Yeah.
What? Damn, you know I don't know too much about these things, dude. I know it's like special because it's the GT500 and all that.
The cement block on top of the engine was a supercharger.
I knew it looked a little different in there. Oh, okay, I see it now. Damn, you guys you gotta point that stuff out to your boy, man. You know I ain't that experienced with all this. So there's the supercharger right there. So how many PSI is it pushing?
I haven't really checked, but last time I looked, it doesn't pass 10, so somewhere under that.
Okay. Damn, okay. So the first time I was like, all right, not much else to talk about. I didn't even fucking mention the supercharger, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm still learning this stuff, guys. You gotta work with me. Okay. So that's why it looks a little different in here, because I was like, yeah, something that don't look like a regular engine in here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's that GT500, man. All right, my boy's bro said he's gonna let me drive the whip, man. So hey, I appreciate that. And you got the Glock on here too, just in case. Sheesh. All right, let's get it. Thank you, Mario. I appreciate you, bro. All right, man. We up in here, man. Driving the GT500. Breakdown.
6 speed is one of the best transmissions ever.
One of the best trannies ever.
The Tremec TR6060.
Oh, okay. See, we didn't talk about that either. It's the Tremec TR.
Yeah.
Tremec
TR6060.
TR6060.
It's known for having long gears in the transmission.
Oh, okay.
And they're really sturdy too, just because it's Tremec.
So you said this thing gets up to like 60 in first gear?
First gear, I think like 50, 55. That's like pushing it to like all the way to the red line.
Right. So this thing is short.
Yeah, second gear is the shortest.
Okay, and that comes stock like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, dude, this is like A-Rod's, and he has like the upgraded clutch and all that, because it lets off way at the top.
Yeah.
So how much do these go for new?
New? I was a little kid when these things came out.
That's right, bro. I forgot you're a young guy.
Yeah, 2012.
Dude, I already graduated high school at that point.
Nah, but brand new, I couldn't see them over 50K back in the day.
50K?
Yeah.
So they sell more now than they did back then?
Yeah, they're more expensive now, just because they're collectibles.
Yeah,
the price hardly devalues on these things.
That's crazy. Of wind noise though.
Yeah.
In that Camaro, there wasn't like that much wind noise. I don't know how it's like built or some shit. The aero is like real good.
These things aren't really that aerodynamic.
Nah, the Camaro is real aerodynamic. That's something I did notice.
Yeah, these things are built for straight lines, as far as I can tell. I wouldn't take this around a track. Spin it out real quick.
Oh yeah.
You hear that whine?
Hell yeah. Yeah, this shit's smooth, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. See, I'm barely getting used to the stick shift on this, and already like I pretty much got it down aside from starting off the first.
Yeah. The second gear trip you out when you throw it in?
No, I didn't really. It didn't that much.
I have a short shifter on my Mustang, and that thing's like half the short shifter on mine.
I like this one, dude. This is honestly, I tried A-Rods, and if you've seen the video I did with A-Rod, I was in third gear the whole damn time.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this one is pretty cool, pretty easy to get used to me. And for a 2012, that shit's clean. I can't believe I didn't know these things had superchargers, bro. You know they're gonna roast me in the comments for that.
It's all good.
I don't know too much about Mustangs, you know. I like the suede right here.
Yeah.
Because this is where I usually put my hands at. It's just comfortable. What's that arrow right there? The arrow pointing up?
To save gas. It wants you to shift up.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
So it indicates it for you?
Yeah, like now would be a good time to shift up to save gas.
Oh, right, I see it.
This thing has a shift light though. The whole dash starts flashing red when you start touching red line a little bit.
Oh shit.
Not touching, but like when you hit 6,000,
yeah,
it starts flashing all crazy, like you blew something up.
Oh,
trips
shit.
you out. The first time I saw it is when we raced.
Did it trip you out or what? You thought you
Yeah,
messed
I was like,
something
what
up?
the hell? And that's why I shifted all slow. I was already shifting slow, and then this time I actually fucking did it on purpose.
Bro, I like that shifter, bro.
I like the whine.
That whine is sexy as hell too.
I'm trying to find out if there's a way to make it whine louder. Because I know the newer ones, you get like a sound tube or something, but I couldn't find one for this year. I was gonna buy it for my brother.
Yeah, that whine's sexy as hell.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna flip it around right here and just go back the other way. Keep getting stuck behind these damn trucks.
Swing it. Nah, just
swing it real quick. Sorry, Mario.
Looking 40K down the drain. Yeah, but for 40K, I think these cars are worth it, honestly.
Honestly, bro, hell yeah. This shit drives smooth as fuck. It drives like a damn near new vehicle.
You could get it like a what? Like a PP1 5.0, brand new, for around this price range.
This thing is bad,
Yeah,
bro.
you had to choose between a 5.0 and this. What would you pick?
I gotta drive.
You still gotta drive Franco's.
I gotta drive Franco's, bro. But this thing, bro, he got some big shoes to fill. I'll tell you that much. This thing is bad, dude. Honestly, I might choose it. I haven't even drove Franco's, but I mean, this has a supercharger, bro.
Yeah.
See, I'm used to the shifter now already. I'm hella granny shit. I can only imagine if like you bang gears in this motherfucker,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm pretty sure if you bang the gears, it'll kick the rear end up.
Oh, for sure, for sure. I haven't even put like full throttle yet, dude. I haven't gone wide open throttle, and this thing is like.
The cool thing I like about this year is they come in sport mode. Why don't you just?
Oh, I wasn't even in sport mode.
Touch your brake a little bit, just a little bit. Hold it. Advanced sports mode.
So is that the best mode to be in?
Yeah, that's the best mode for this car.
Oh shit, I was in comfort or what?
You were regular mode, I guess. I mean, I don't think it does a difference. I think it just changes the steering and like the suspension or something. I'm pretty sure it does something. I'm pretty sure it's not there for no reason.
Right.
Because I know Gabriel, he used to have that V6. I don't know if you ever seen it. The black one?
I seen him in his picture with it.
Yeah, that V6 had sport mode. And I guess that thing, you can launch at whatever RPM you want, and it acts like a pretty legit launch control system. It won't let your tires spin.
Oh, okay.
It'll let you get off the line at whatever RPM you want.
Oh, damn, that's crazy. Yeah, bro, this thing is dope. This shit's fun, dude. It's easy as hell to shift with, too.
Yeah. I like looking at the PSI gauge, the boost gauge.
Where is that at?
Right next to the gas.
Oh,
right?
shit, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
I was trying to look at this, that way I didn't go too high in the RPMs.
The only time I've seen it under full throttle is when I raced you, and that's when I seen it hit like under 10. But I stopped looking, like I didn't even get all the way to 6K RPM.
Yeah.
I was like, I need to be ready to shift this thing.
Shit, I'm gonna see. Because I've been shifting like around not even 5,000 RPMs. So I'm gonna see what the PSI gets to.
If I had to guess, I'd say 8. Pretty
8?
sure it's 8. That's usually like the standard for most cars.
It's hard to read because everything's digital now, so you gotta like get used to this again. To be honest, what's that first one that comes out? Is that a 5?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it got to like 7 or 8.
Yeah.
This is probably one of my favorite ones that I've driven so far. I don't know, man. I have to see about Franco's, but it'd be hard to choose that over this. At this point, driving it right now,
yeah,
this thing is fucking dope. I like it a lot, dude.
I'm pretty sure Franco's car got more top end than this thing.
Think so?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Especially with all those bolt-ons and things.
But this is stock, bro. So imagine this with bolt-ons and all that.
Yeah, a whole different monster.
Yeah, dude. This thing's clean. It only has 20,000 miles. Damn.
Yeah, I think you got it with 16, 17?
16?
Yeah.
I already got like 7,000 on mine. Had it for like 6 months already.
You're catching up.
Catching up already, dude. And mine's a 2020. Yeah, but I've drove a Hellcat, I drove the 1LE. I just drove the 10-speed Camaro. What else have I driven? I don't remember, but this has to be one of my favorite ones easily. The shifting is just like, I thought the 1LE was easy. This is just as easy as the 1LE, bro, and that's a 2020. Now I wanted to stick shift even more, bro. Be all depressed getting back in my automatic. What do you think though? Am I alright at shifting and all that?
Yeah.
I'm not totally trash.
Daily and stick shift, yeah.
I mean, I drove one for 9 years, so you should.
As long as you know the mechanic, you get used to any car.
Yeah, I got used to this one pretty quick, bro. Like my RT, I was never shifting this smooth, and I drove that thing 9 years. I'm already shifting better in this thing than I did in my RT. Boom. Hell yeah. Damn. Hard to get up out of this thing though, I'll tell you that much.
That should feel like a fucking kilo to
What, his chairs?
I'm about fucking KO in the caddy.
You got a comfortable in there or what? We are back though, you guys see it. But yeah, man, hey, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Like I was telling you in the car, I've driven a Hellcat at this point. I drove the 1LE, that was the 2019. I just drove a 2020 LT1 Camaro. Obviously I drive the SCATPACK. This was easily one of my favorite cars that I've driven so far, and I didn't even go crazy in it because, you know, I want to be respectful to the owner of it. It only has 20,000 miles on it, man, and it's a 2012. This thing's bad, bro. I could see why it still costs 40 grand, to be honest with you. I liked it a lot, man. This thing is dope. Thank you, Mario, for letting me drive it. If you watch this, I appreciate that, man. If you ever want to drive the Scat, let me know, and we'll get that done, get your perspective on it. See if you trade the scene, maybe we'll just make a quick little trade, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but this thing's dope, man. Badass, sick as hell. But there it is, guys. You guys seen it. You guys see it right there moving along. We're about to get the runs in, so stay tuned. Yeah, you hear it. About to line up for the little thumbnail. But that's gonna do it for this one, guys. You guys see the merch, go cop the merch. It's already out, all links are in the description. If you wanna follow the gaming channel, my first video is dropping. It's probably already up when you guys see this, so go check it out. Links are all in the description. Go follow my boy Juan, follow my boy Adrian with the 10-speed F-150. Stay tuned for that video. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for Juan taking over on this one. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you guys as always. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Catch you guys on the next one. Taking off in the Scat, dog. Get a little SCATPACK action. Oh, my shit got big wet. It was dirty anyway, I need to wash it. That's not, now it's more reason for me to wash it. Are you good over there? It is, huh? That thing's torquey, dude.
I better give it, guys, and that shit was like, whoa.
I know, we still got to get the video, the 2020 F-150 perspective on the SCATPACK.